Managing oily and combination skin requires a careful selection of products, balancing the hydration with oil control to combat shine, enlarged pores, and the occasional breakout. It's often a challenge to find the right products to maintain this balance. CeraVe is renowned for its dermatologist-recommended skincare products that offer effective solutions at an accessible price point. So in this video, we're going to showcase the top CeraVe products specifically designed for those with oily and combination skin types. And we're going to dive into the science behind each product's formulation, how often you should use them, and the best combinations for optimal results. Firstly, oily skin is characterized by excess sebum production known as oil, often leading to a shiny complexion, clogged pores, and sometimes acne. Genetics, hormonal changes, and even stress can contribute to increased oiliness, and the right skincare routine can actually help manage these issues effectively. Combination skin, on the other hand, is a little bit more complex, characterized by having two or more different skin types on the face at the same time. Typically, someone with combination skin will have oily skin in some areas and dry or normal skin in others. The most common pattern is an oily T-zone, so the forehead, nose, and chin area, with drier skin on the cheeks. So this variation can make it tricky to find the right balance in your skincare routine, as you really do need to address both the excess oil production and the areas that require more moisture. So the first skincare product from the CeraVe range we recommend you start your skin journey with is the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. Now, this cleanser would suit an oily skin type. It's a great cleanser designed to remove excess oil, dirt, and makeup from the day without disrupting the skin's natural protective barrier or stripping the moisture out of the skin, like a lot of foaming cleansers can. Now, it also has the inclusion of niacinamide, which helps to manage oiliness and reduces the appearance of pores, making it an ideal choice for oily and combination skin types. You can use this cleanser both in the morning and in the evening. Now, if you have more of a combination skin type and find this cleanser to be too drying on your skin, you can instead opt for the cream to foam facial cleanser, which should be more hydrating for you, and it's a great choice and a nice texture of a cleanser. The next CeraVe product to include into your oily and combination skincare routine is the CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. Now, this serum will help to regulate the cell turnover, reduce the appearance of any breakouts, stimulating the collagen production, which can actually help minimize the size of your pores, and it works at controlling the oil production. CeraVe's formula contains encapsulated retinol, which slowly dissolves over time using a time-release technology to wait until the retinol has reached deep below the skin surface before actually getting to work. So it is actually a little bit more gentle. The serum also contains licorice root extract to help brighten your skin's appearance. In addition, it's also formulated with 3 essential ceramides that work together to lock in the skin's moisture and help restore your skin's protective barrier. And of course, it contains our favorite niacinamide, which is excellent for oily skin types. Now, keeping in mind, retinol should only be used in the evening as it can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. We also recommend that if you are new to using retinol, that you start off slowly by incorporating the serum into your routine only 2 times a week and slowly building up to more night. Now, while there's no right or wrong age to begin using retinol, most dermatologists and skin therapists recommend fitting it into your skincare routine during your 20s, unless it's been prescribed for you specifically for teen acne. If you want to know the exact order to apply these CeraVe products in, both the morning and the evening, then do keep watching because we are going to reveal this at the end of this video. The next CeraVe product to include in your routine is the Skin Renewing Nightly Exfoliating Treatment. This exfoliating treatment includes a 5% blend of lactic acid and glycolic acid. The combination of these AHAs, known as alpha hydroxy acids, are actually good at effectively exfoliating the skin, which can help to prevent any clogged pores that of course lead to breakouts. The overnight AHA serum is also formulated with the 3 essential ceramides that work together to lock in your skin's moisture and help restore the skin's protective barrier. Hyaluronic acid and licorice root extract will help maintain the skin barrier, boost that skin hydration, and still keep the skin bright and even out your skin tone. You can incorporate this exfoliating treatment into your routine 2 times per week. You don't need to use this daily, as over-exfoliation can lead to an impaired skin barrier, causing you more problems. So even though this product contains ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and licorice root extract, which help with the skin barrier, over-exfoliating, overuse of acids can actually damage your skin barrier. So you don't need to use this one daily. Now, the next CeraVe product you can include in your oily and combination skincare routine is the Ultra Light Moisturizing Lotion SPF 30. Now, despite Despite having oil, your skin still needs a moisturizer to lock in your serums and protect your skin. This is a non-greasy formula, providing immediate and lasting hydration without adding to your oiliness. It does contain broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen, which is going to help protect your skin from sun damage. Using both retinol and exfoliating acids in your routine can actually make your skin more sensitive to the sun, so it is important to wear SPF. The lotion also contains niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and the 3 essential ceramides to hydrate and restore the skin's barrier. Now, the lotion does leave you with a matte finish, which we do love on an oily skin, perfect to manage your oily shine throughout the day. You would use this moisturizer in the morning, so it would be your daytime moisturizer. In the evening, you could then switch it out for the ultra light moisturizing gel from the CeraVe range. So this one is designed for evening use. This gel moisturizer provides intense hydration without a heavy or greasy feel. It is great for oily and combination skin types because it offers that necessary moisture to support your skin health while controlling your oil production. Now, if you do prefer to use a different sunscreen in the daytime, you can definitely opt to use this moisturizing gel underneath it instead of the CeraVe moisturizing lotion SPF 30. It's totally up to you what products you use in your routine. Now, if you decided to use all of these products in your skincare routine to treat your oily or combination skin, then this would be the perfect skincare routine order for both morning and evening, as well as how to use them correctly. So for the morning routine, you do want to begin with a foaming facial cleanser, or if you prefer the cream to foam cleanser, you're then going to rinse that one off, and then you can go in and apply the ultralight moisturizing lotion. Just remember, this one has your SPF in it, so you don't need to go ahead and apply another sunscreen over the top. Then in your evening routine, we have night 1 and 2. This is where you want to make sure you do a double cleanse with your cleanser. This is to make sure you remove all of your makeup, dirt, and grime for the day. You're then going to make sure that you pat your skin dry. Your skin needs to be dry for you to apply the retinol resurfacing serum. You're then going to finish with the ultralight moisturizing gel. Now, for the evening routine for night 3, you're then going to instead double cleanse, and then instead of the retinol, you're going to apply the skin renewing nightly exfoliating treatment. So you're going to be getting those AHAs on your skin. You're going to finish them with the ultralight moisturizing gel. For night 4, I like to use this as a rest night. So give your skin a break from the retinol and the acids, and you're going to go in and double cleanse and just finish with the ultralight moisturizing gel. If you have another soothing serum like niacinamide or hyaluronic acid, feel free to apply that instead before you apply the moisturizing gel. You then want to repeat the night routine. If you are a beginner at using retinol, just that reminder that you might want to add in an extra rest night in there, so a double rest night. I'll leave that up to you and just see how your skin adjusts. As usual, you should always patch test prior to using any new skincare products in your routine. Follow the product and usage directions on the labels, and a common experience from those who start using new products in their routine might actually experience something called skin purging. This is where your skin will break out for 4 to 6 weeks after introducing a new product into their routine, especially with retinol and acids, AHAs or even BHAs into your routine. This will clear, but just keep in mind that you should keep pushing through. However, if you have consistent breakouts after 2 months of use, you do want to stop using the product, and I would try a different brand. Now, if you want to take a deeper dive into how to use each of these products, then you definitely want to check out our CeraVe playlist here, and you can also learn more about acne if that is something that you struggle with.